Instead of buying an S26 Ultra to improve your camera experience, just upgrade your S25 Ultra instead. Let's go. When REEFLEX reached out to me to upgrade my camera kit for my phones, I immediately jumped at the chance. The best part of smartphone photography, and videography for that, is the flexibility that it provides you. That same flexibility, though, is also a limitation, because whilst you've got all those lenses on the back, not all of them are equal, and some of them have to do digital cropping instead of physical one. It creates a limit on that optical reach, as well as the ability to create like a true optical powerhouse. Professional cameras always have lenses available, and you always swap them out to give you different opportunities to capture different types of photos. This is where the lens kits from REEFLEX can truly transform your smartphone into that professional grade photography kit. They sent me everything. All of the lenses, all of the attachments, the filters, the lot. Now, REEFLEX also have accompanying apps to go along with the photography equipment that you can add on to your phone. For now though, the apps are only available on iOS. They are not yet available on Samsung and Android. I'll talk a little bit about the REEFLEX app on the iPhone in a moment because it does give you all of the pro controls you could want. Now, both the S25 Ultra and the 17 Pro Max support dedicated telephoto lenses. A 5x telephoto over here and a 4x telephoto over here on the iPhone. However, anything beyond that, it is using digital cropping to achieve optical-like quality. The 50 megapixel one over here will crop down to 12 megapixel 10 times, and the 4x one will do the same at 8 times. This is where using some external lenses can actually give you pure optical quality instead of needing to rely on digital cropping. The G-Series telephoto lens will give you a 240mm focal length, extending your 4x camera out without sacrificing any of the quality. To attach these lenses, you need some cases, and REEFLEX make the cases that allow you to attach and screw on these lenses so you can actually use them. So I just quickly wanted to test it outside. So there's a ball that I've got just off in the distance. So using the REEFLEX app on the 17 Pro Max, I zoomed into the 4x lens and just wanted to see how close it would get. It got pretty close and it gives you decent quality. But then you attach this onto the telephoto camera on the back and then you zoom in to the same lens and you can see how much closer you can get and it gives you amazing, stunning results. But you can't just test it in things like backyards. You want to take it out and about. So I packed it into my little bag. And the great thing is with all this, they all come with carry cases and they all are really tight and compact, so it fits into bags really comfortably. I took it down to my favorite spot at Burleigh. This 240mm lens paired with the REEFLEX app gives you some stunning results at the beach, especially. Whether you want to catch waves sort of being caught in the distance by surfers, the Surfers Paradise skyline off in the distance with the Q1 beaming and shooting out from the top of all the other buildings, or to the trees that are around you, or the waves just crashing into the rocks, you can get some real clarity out of the photos and it gets you really close without any quality dip whatsoever. But where I really enjoyed using this was sports and action photography. My son does academy training on a Sunday afternoon. One of the MPL players set up an academy and invited Alberto to come down and train with him. And what's great is just being able to get in nice and close with this lens without having to actually stand really close. Some of the output that you get from the REEFLEX app paired with this lens is actually quite stunning. It looks like it's come out of a dedicated camera, because in a way, this is a dedicated piece of equipment to make it feel like that. I love the detail and the crispness that the shots were taken in, and it just looks so nice. And I really actually like the output that you get from it. And because it's action photography, you kind of need to make sure the settings are adjusted right, and the REEFLEX app gives you those dedicated controls to make sure things like the shutter speed are controlled properly so you can capture it quickly and get the freeze frame that you're after. Now, I also use this lens on the S25 Ultra, but because this doesn't have the REEFLEX app, I was able to use it with Expert RAW. And both at Burleigh, using the 5x lens, I was able to get some incredible shots, similar to the way I was with the iPhone, of capturing the waves, the trees, and it gave you really detailed shots. And I love what Expert RAW does just in general, but adding this onto the 5x camera, yeah, not bad. And the action shots also came out really good too. So again, even though you don't have access to the REEFLEX app, it's great with the S25 Ultra taking advantage of the native stuff, Expert RAW being the prime example. I also think video could benefit from that as well. Having that extended range out for capturing video content, again, gives you that extra flexibility that you might not have had before without it. The best thing with the kit is the range that they've got on offer to give you options. You've got a 110-degree wide-angle lens, which attaches to the main camera. So you then get all the quality of that bigger sensor on the main camera, but with all of the extra width of the ultra-wide camera. But I also really like the option of the 2x telephoto, because what this does is, again, attaches to that main camera and gives you a 2x sort of further in without having to sacrifice any digital cropping. Because any 2x crop you're doing on the camera without this is digital cropping. So this will physically go in 2x and actually give you that nice depth of field or the bokeh that the 1x camera can give you, but you're actually cropping in twice. It's really good. REEFLEX aren't just a kit manufacturer with lenses. They offer everything, from the kit themselves down to ND filters, all the carry cases, phone cases to attach it all to, and then the apps. The REEFLEX suite of apps on iOS is extensive, and I even looked at things like Swipe, which is an AI app that allows you to delete things really quickly using AI, is another way that they just offer you a full suite of pipeline products to handle taking the photo, editing the photo, and deleting them should you want to. If you are chasing some of these for yourself, REEFLEX have actually given me a special 10% discount code that is up on the screen now and in the description with the link attached to where you can find them all. The best thing about photography, or at least mobile photography that I've found, is there is a great social community out there where people want to share photos. And REEFLEX have a Facebook community dedicated to that. I'll leave that group in the description as well for you to check out. A massive thank you to REEFLEX for supporting the channel and providing me with the kit to upgrade my smartphone photography experience. Now it's your turn. Check it out in the description. Hit subscribe to take the benefits. Plenty more Samsung content coming your way, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And didn't cover it all.